Today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 473 different strategies, with 145 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator, trading the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. And so far since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 370 of the other strategies that we have put it up against. We have also tested a total of 1,064 indicators, with 444 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says the two most profitable TradingView indicators for 2025 must watch. And so we're going to put these to the test and see what we can get out of these indicators. And so what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen. Now, the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the twin range filter visualized. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings and make some modifications. So under the fast period, we're going to change that to 16, the fast range 2, and the slow period, we're going to change that to 50. And everything else stays on the default settings. Can't remember if these two were checked, but if they were, go ahead and uncheck those. And everything else, like I said, just stays on the default. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Wilder's channel indicator. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the length for the moving average to 20. The length for the average true range, we're going to change to 12. Then these, I bumped down the opacity. This might have been on the default as well. I can't remember exactly how it was set up, but all these stay checked as they are, and go ahead and click OK. So what we're looking for a long trade is we're looking for when we get a buy tag like this here from the twin range filter. And when we do, we want price to be above this gray middle line in or above this green area of the Wilder's channel. And when we get those two, that one to that line up there, that will be the signal to enter into a long. We'll set our trade right here. We're going to put our stop right here at this middle gray line, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. You can see a little bit of consolidation, then a nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is we're looking for the sell tag from the twin range filter, and then we're looking for price action to have closed below this gray line, ideally in the red zone, but it could be below the red zone as well. And so when those two line up like so, that'll be the signal to enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop actually right above that middle gray line, just like before, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Be super tiny, but right there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward, and you can see within the next candle we make the push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we had 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. This is going to put it at a 40% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000 altogether. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,000 altogether. So you'd have been at break even, not including any spreads or commissions. And so you would have most likely been down a decent amount, which also leads a little bit of an issue with this strategy because a lot of the stops were so very tight. They didn't leave a lot of room for any spreads or entry into the market at all. And it was a bit of an overtrader. A lot of trades very, very quickly, basically one right after another, And so just not a great strategy. I mean, I guess break even's better than losing a ton of money, but you want to make money. And so now during the same period of time, just as an example, on the Academy of Forex Indicator, we did 11 trades altogether. That is how many trades this strategy took so fast. We were only able to get 11 trades out of the Academy of Forex Indicator, but we had 9 winning trades and 2 losing trades, putting it at an 82% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $5,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $2,400 for an overall gain of $3,000 altogether. And if you'd use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $5,000. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.